4. Hi, good morning, Cyrus.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. So I will be your teacher for today. I am Miss Almi for today's tutorial. Do you know what topic are we going to discuss today? What is our
We
topic for
are
today?
our what topic are we are discussing today is a scientific method is called hypothesis.
Correct. So we're going to learn the topic hypothesis. This is a simple word, but it has a very broad meaning. We will learn step by step of what is the meaning of hypothesis. So I will read first and then you will read after me. Okay? So please disregard the other topics. We will discuss that uh, tomorrow or the next day. But right now we will focus for our first topic, which is hypothesis. Okay? So we're going to read hypothesis. Hypothesis. It is an educated guess to problem based on research. Can you read after me?
Hypothesis is an educated guess to problem based on research.
Very good. Can you pronounce the word again? Hypothesis.
Hypothesis.
Don't forget the TH sound. But anyway, we will get back to that. So, hypothesis. So, what is the meaning of hypothesis? This is just the only simple meaning of hypothesis, the direct to the point meaning. Wait a moment, Cyrus. I have a client. Okay, give me 1 minute. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Uh, can I get a register for
Sir. You are not allowed. Okay. Now we're going to continue our discussion. That was a kid. This is a kid calling me. So now let's get back. All right. Now we're going to read hypothesis. A hypothesis is a proposed, testable explanation for a phenomenon, serving as a starting point of scientific investigation. So it's an educated guess based on existing knowledge and observation, which predicts what the outcome of an experiment or study might be. A valid hypothesis is specific to stable and often states a relationship between independent cause and independent effect variable. So as you can see that most scientists, before they conduct an experiment, they will conduct an investigation. They will make a hypothesis to know what is the cause and the effect. So they will study a certain species or something or an object, but before knowing what is the specific use of this object, they will make an investigation. So they will propose, they will make an explanation of a phenomenon. If there's a certain object that a human cannot understand, they will conduct a hypothesis. Okay? All right? So we will know step by step in the next topic. But first, can you read the broad meaning of hypothesis? Wait a moment. Let me put circle. Okay. Wait. Where's the circle? Okay. Please read, Cyrus. Start.
A hypothesis is a proposed testable explanation for a phenomenon serving as a starting point for scientific investigation. It's an educated guess based on existing knowledge and observations which predicts what the outcome of an experiment or study might be. A valid hypothesis is a specific testable and often states a relationship between an independent cause and a dependent effect variable.
Okay, very good. So that is the broad meaning of hypothesis. By closing the shared screen, I want you to tell me the meaning of hypothesis. But right now, let me stop sharing first. Okay, ready? I want you. to tell me the meaning of hypothesis. I will give you 1 minute to explain.
Okay, can I start now?
Yes.
A hypothesis is a investigation based on a problem in types of research.
Mm-hmm.
It can research like educated guesses or scientifical guesses based on that
Mm-hmm.
problem.
Okay, very good. To know the cause and effect, they will make an educated guess. But this is not 100% sure because still it's an hypothesis. If they will get the proper investigation of the matter, then that's the thing. They will know what kind of object is this. Okay? They will make an investigation before giving a proper conclusion. So, Cyrus, I'm going to give you an assignment. I will close the screen. I will share you a link. I want you to read everything. Okay? The first
Yes.
topic that you're going to read is what is a hypothesis. Okay? And then after that, I want you to open a notepad or maybe you will just write in the messenger of what you have understand on making a hypothesis. Okay? Right now,
Yes.
I'm giving you a link. After you're reading the link, you will make what do you call that? An essay or a short answer of what is a hypothesis. Okay? Right now, I'm giving you a
Yes.
link. Goodbye, sir. See you again. Bye bye.